Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So let's start our lecture. Here we have today we will start from 3.2. Now here today our topic is multiplying and dividing by 100, 10, 100 and thousands. So let's see what we will do. Class, remember one thing, the few hints that is very important. If we are talking about 10, okay, multiplying, okay, so 10 means there are one zero, so it's mean write the same number. If you have these numbers 10, 100 and 1000, that is so easy question. Okay, here you have 24, so 24 whenever it's multiplied with 10, so the zero will add everything. If there is one zero, so everything is moving one step forward. Let's suppose here is 100, 10 unit, so they are moving one step forward. If they you have two zeros, so everything move two step forward. Okay, now the place of 2 is tens. When you multiply with 10, then its position is changed, so it's moving toward 100, and for the place of unit 4 is unit, so it's moving toward 10, and the 0 will come at the unit place. Same as it is, let's suppose you have a point values like 0.24, so you multiply with 10, so the place of 2 is tenth. Once you multiply with 10, so place of 2 is unit, place of 4 before this is 100, so it's move forward toward tenth. Remember this, whenever you multiply, the every step is moving forward. Okay, if you multiply 10, one step. If you multiply 100, two step. If you multiply 1000, three steps. Okay, at the same time. Now let's see, here we have 45 multiplied by 100, so the 100 had two zeros, so they are moving two step forward. Let's suppose the place of 4 is here, we are solving, so place of 4 is 10, so if you move two step forward, so this one is 100, this one is 100, this one is 1000, so it's moving two step forward. 5 is also moving two step forward. The place now, right now its place is unit, but later on we will send it two step forward, that is 100. So at the end we will put, other than this, we will put two zeros. As let's suppose we have a point value like a decimal numbers. Okay, so we are trying to solve this, so the same thing we will do this. The place of 3 is unit, so here is only 10, so we move one step forward. So 3, the place of 3 is unit, so it's later on when we multiply with 10, so its position is toward 10th. So here is 3, and the place of 7th is now 10th, which moving towards unit. So if you write here 37.9. Okay, now let's talk about divisions. Let's suppose we have a division. So divisions means if you have 10 means one zero, so it's moving one step backward. If you have two zeros, so it's moving two step backward. Let's suppose we have 24, 24 divided by 10, so the place of unit is 4 is unit, so it's moving toward 10th. The place of 2 is 10, so it's moving toward unit. As it is same 0.24, here is our position, and I divide with 10, so this the place of unit is zeros, that is moving toward 10th, and the place of 2 is 10th, it's moving toward 100, and the place of 100 is toward moving thousandth. Okay, now we have this example like 32 divided by 1000. 1000 have three zeros. Okay, so this will moving three step backward. Right now the place of what we call it 2 is a unit, so once it's moving three step backward, so that its answer is thousandth. Okay, the place of 3 is 10, so once I'm moving three step backward, first it go toward unit. Okay, this will go toward unit. Okay, then it's go toward 10, then it go toward 100, so the place of 3 is hundredth, so your answer is 0.032. Okay, same like this, let's suppose you are dividing this number, so everything is moving backward. The place of 6 is hundredth, it's moving toward thousand. 9 is moving toward hundredth. 7 is moving toward tenth, and 4 is moving toward unit. Okay, so you write here 4.796. The same like that you will solve all these examples. It's not so hard, difficult. Let's suppose it's multiplication, so the point this will moving toward forward, everything is moving one step forward, so your answer here supposed to be, here you write here 46. Okay, because everything is moving one step forward. Let's suppose you are multiplying this number with 10, so everything moving one step, so you write here 3.89. Okay, so the, let's take example for 1000. Let's suppose here we have 1000, so one we multiply, so this will moving, means the numbers are moving three step forward. So now the place of 3 is hundredth, then it come tenth, then unit. Okay, and then after unit, that is 10. Okay, so you write here 38, 38.9. Okay, that is its answer. Now let's talk about division. Divide means moving backward. Okay, so once they are moving backward, the place of 0 is unit, so it's go toward thousand. Okay, so here I write first thousand, then 100, and then 4, so we write a 0.4, because 4, the place of 4 is tenth, then 2 is for hundredth, and 3 is 0 is for thousand. So your answer is this. Same like that, this one. So the place of 1 is right now 10, so once it's moving 3 step backward, so it's moving toward 10, no, yeah, 10,000th. Okay, so I write a 0 point, and the place of 8 is unit, so it's moving 3 steps, so its answer is 008. Place is hundredth, and it says 10 hundred, yeah, 10,000. So if the place of 8 is 1000 and the one is 8, 10,000. Okay, so as it is like that, you are solving all this. I will show you later on the answers. Look at here. Question number 2 is same like this. He said 52 divided by 10. So once it divide, so it's moving all these things toward backward. So he write here 5.2. If you multiply, you will get again 52. So same like this. Multiply and divide are opposite. 4.6 multiplied by 100, that is equal to 4600. If 4600 divided by 1000, it's equal to 46. No, it's not equal to 46, and this not equal to 4600. Why? Because the point is here, so its answer is 460. 460. Okay, and if 460 divided by hundreds, then it will get, you will get 46. Otherwise, you will get your answer, that is equal to 460. Okay, so here he write the correct answer. Okay, so as it is, you are doing all these examples, I will show you the later on its answer. Here you are simply using a multiply or divide. Remember one thing, that is easy way. If the point is moving forward, okay, point is moving forward, so you put divide. Now look at here, here is no point, but here is point, so it's mean they are using division method. Okay, this is also the sign of divide. Okay, and if the point is moving backwards, it is mean multiply, so here is multiply. Okay, same like this. Here the point is moving backward, so it's mean it's multiply. And if this one 460 divided, point is moving forward, so it's mean it's a divide. Okay, same like that. If the point is moving backward, so it's mean multiply. The point is moving backward as well, so it's mean divide. Okay, I hope you understand this all. Let me show you the answers. Here are the answers of 3.2. Okay, now let's solve the remaining parts. Same like that, it's not so difficult, you will do the same thing. So you just tell them either you multiply with 10, 100 or 1000. That is so easy, so you will do by yourself, it's not difficult. Now here later on, these are the questions that are the basics, they are just basics. 4 multiplied by divided by 100 equal to 0.04. Here are the, here is its answer, 0.04. So these are the answer for question number 4. Now question number 6. In a supermarket, lemons are sold in a 10 bags, okay, for $3.5. How much does each lemon cost? Means he said they are solding 10 bags, okay, for 3.5 dollars. So what is the cost of one bag? Okay, so we just divided by 3.5 divided by what we will do here, 3.50 divided by 10. So what we will get here, so that is equal to, so it's equal to 0.35, okay, for each bag, okay. And so here for each bag, for each bag. So now a builder estimate he needs 1600 nails for a job he is doing. The nails were sold in a box of 100. Okay, how many box does he need? The builder estimate he needs 1600 nail box for a job he is doing. He is doing. The nail were sold it in boxes of 100. How many boxes does each will have? So you just simply divide this, okay. So once you divide 1600 divided by 100, so you will get answer that is equal to 16. So each box have, how many box does he need? I think it's multiply, not divide. Let's check this one, because he said how many boxes needed. No, it's right, we are right, okay. So the answer of this one is 0.35. Question answer of 6 is, actually here answers are replaced, okay. So this one is the answer of 7 and this one is the answer of 6, okay. So kindly don't be confused from here, okay. So this one is the answer of this and this one is the answer of this, okay. So next one is, okay, so there are 16 boxes. Alexi think of a number. He multiply his number by 10 and then divide by the answer by 100, and then it's so simple, okay. And then he get the final answer, that is 60. What does Alex think of first number? So simply you just do the opposite as I told you. Your answer is 67, and what is before this step? Multiply. So I divide by 1000. So what is my answer? That is equal to 0.067, okay. Now this number 0.067, and then he said divided by 100, so I multiply by 100, multiply by 100, so I will get my answer that is equal to 6.7. Then again he multiply by 10, so I divide by 10. 6.7 divided by 10, so I get my answer 0.67. So the number that Alexi think, Alexi think thinks Alexi number is 0.67, okay. So here is its answer. So you will see all these answers here on my screen. Now this one is so easy, so let's talk about 3.3, ordering the decimal. So simple questions, you just order. You first of all you check all of us, whenever you get a number, you see all the numbers are different. First number, if all the numbers are different, so first you arrange them, okay. So which one is smallest in between these? Let's suppose you have a number 8.9, 14.639, 6.45. So you just know that which the first number, which one is smallest? 6. So you put 6 here, then 8, and then 14, okay. Let's suppose you have a same whole number. Let's suppose here is 2, 2, 2, 2. First numbers all are 2. Then you will go to after point, okay, after point or the next number, any next number that you have. So 2.88, okay. So let's see, after 2 point, which one number is, what number was that? Here is 8, here is 6, here is 8, okay. Now here are, we know that 2.6 is the smallest, so we put here because 8 is bigger. So 8.2 and 8.6 we write here. After 8 we check what is the next number. The next number is, here is 2, here is 1. So which one is small? 1. So I put 1 here and 2 here, okay. So like that you are solving. The first example, as you can see on my screen, there are the number of decimals. So order each size. Okay. So first of all, here you check all the first numbers. So all are different. So which one is smallest? 0. So put 0 first, then 4, then 6, and then 7. Okay. Let's suppose you have the same number. So after point you check the number. Here is 6, 6, here is 6, here is 0. So first is 0, so I put 0 first. Okay. Now here is 6 and here is 6. We see after this they don't have any number. It's mean this one next is 0 and this will 6. So 4.6 I put first and then 4.66. Same question, you did it by yourself. That is so easy, you will do it by yourself. Here are the answers of these all questions. Here we write down the smallest decimal number for each pair. Which one is the smallest from each pair in these two? 3.4 or 3.21? Mostly people say 3.4 because they think that 3.4 after 4 there is no number. Okay, nothing. But actually 3.4 after this there is a 0. Okay, so let me show you here. So this one is 3.4. It's look like 4, but actually it's 3.40, and the other number is 3.21. So according to this, small number is smaller number is 3.21. So I hope you understand. Same like that you're solving here. Let's suppose I will select the number that are same like this one, E part. So here 32 is same, 32 same, 32 same, 32 same. Now next step is find which one is the first number. First number is after point. Here is 4, here is also 4, here is 4, and here is 4. All are same. After point, what I do after next number. Let's suppose I see this number. Here is 4, here is 2, here is 4, here is nothing, it's mean here is 0. If there is nothing, it's mean here is 0. So which one is smallest number? This one. Okay. So first of all, what you write here? I write here 32.4. That is my first number. Okay. Later on, after this number, here is 4, here is 2, here is 4. So I just take the other number that is smallest. I write 32.42. Okay. Next number, there is a competition in between this number and this number. Here is 8, here is 1. So I obviously we write here 3.441, and the next number is 32.448. So like that you are solving all this. I will show you answers. Here are the answers. Okay, now kindly take a picture for this. Okay, so next here we have next question number 3. These are the symbols, so you just tell them which one is bigger and which one is the smallest number. Let's see. 4.07 is smaller than 4.15. So how you write this? The smaller number, the biggest number, your the mouth of this side is must be open. So let's suppose here is 6.03 and 6.24. So obviously 2.24 is bigger. So what I do here, I just put here the sign that is like that. Okay, because I'm the mouth of this one is open toward the bigger number. Let's suppose here is 19 and here is 20. Okay, first two number, the 20 is bigger than 19. So obviously I just choose this sign. The last 29, here is 29, here is 88, here is 88. But after this there is nothing, it's mean here is 0, here is 2. So which one is bigger? So this one is bigger. I will show you the answers as well later on. So Alka use a different method in order of decimal. The her method is shown on the right side. Write the decimal number in order of size. Start from smallest. Is the most decimals places give all the other number 3 decimal places by adding the 0 at the end. Yes, she said she's right, because she said if you have all three numbers, so you can make it 3. Let's suppose you have 4.66. So what you do, let's suppose most the greatest number is 3 digit after a point. So you all other numbers you also make it like that, like this. Okay, now here is 4.6. Again you put, make it 3. Okay, then what is next? 4.179. So which one is smallest? Here is 230, here is 600, here is 179. So smallest is 179, then 230, then next. So once you was trying to write, so you never write like this, you write the same like this, like 4.2, yeah, sorry, 4.179, then you write here 4.23, then you write 4.6. Okay, so while writing you just do the same thing, don't put two zeros in the letter. Same thing you will do in here. Here are the answers of these questions. Kindly take a picture. Now question number 5, table shows that okay, the women's, let me turn this. Okay, the faster time run by a woman in 100 meters period. Whose is the fourth fastest woman runner? Explain how you work out. First of all are 10. Okay, so which one is smallest? Okay, so first thing you need to write the which one is the smallest. After this, 4, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. So 4 is the one. So here is the first one. Okay. Now after this one finish. Now we have 7 and 6. So 6 is smaller. So 6, in between these two 6, we will check who is the smaller. This one is the smallest. I write 2 and here I write 3. Later on I just check 7. Okay. This one is 3, this one 4, this one 5. So here C is smallest. I write 4, 5, and here is 6. So who is your smallest one? Smallest, he's a fourth one. Fourth fastest movement is Jamaica. Jamaica, sorry. Okay. So Jamaica is the fourth one because we just start from the smallest to the greatest. Now, same like that, you will solve the remaining parts. Okay, so any of these numbers in between this. Okay, so you can write these numbers as well. So here you can see, first of all they are just putting in order, so at the end they just find who is the smallest. So now the fourth, 3.4 rounding. Okay, sometimes you need to round the numbers. When you round a number you get an approximate value. Okay, so here we have, first of all we just round these number to the nearest 10. So nearest 10 means you just see the last number. Last number is more than 4, you can add 1 on the next number. Otherwise you no need to add. And the last place you make it 0 because it's 4, we never add. So we write here 12870. When he say 100, so you just leave these last two digits. I will show you in just a minute. Okay, here he is talking about 10th, so we will check before this number. Here he say 100th. So we check the previous number. The previous number is more than 4. Yes. So we add 1 on this number. So 8 plus 1, 9. So we write here 12,900. 12,900. Now he's talking about 1000. So 1000 mean we are just checking this number 12. So before 12 it's more than 4. Yes. So we add 1. Okay. So 1 plus 2, 3. So we write here 13,000. Okay. I hope you understand. It's so easy. So let's see this one. This one is next example. So first of all, round these number to the nearest whole number. Whole number means without points. If he's talking about without points, so what you will do? So you just check these numbers. You have whole this number. Okay. The last number before point is 3. Before this number, you will check either this is more than 4. Yes. So you can add 1 on this number. Okay, so 13 plus 1, 14. So he write here 14 centimeter. Okay, as it is like that, he say one decimal place. One decimal place mean after point one number. Okay, sorry, one number only. Oh, okay, so it's 5. So before 5 is 2. If it's more than 2, more than 4, so you add 1. But it's not more than 4, we cannot add 1. So I write here 13.5. This is my answer. Okay, so let's move on. Nearest 10, this is 30, this one is 80, this one is 150, this one is 160, 360. So it's so easy. 100, same. Now, question 3 is, I think, interesting. Razi say if you round 496 to the nearest 100 and to the nearest 10 and 100, and I will get the same answer. Let's see what is its answer. Now, here he say 100, so we see this number, tenth. So we see this number. So this one is before this number, that is 6. So we add 1. So once I add 1, let's suppose I add 1 on this number. So 1 plus 9, 10. Okay. So the place of 6 I already put 0. So here is 10. I put again 0. And the 1 I give to the next number. So 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. So here is equal to 5. Now that is for nearest to 10. Nearest to 100 means you have 496, and we will check 100. 100 is this number. So before this number it's more than 4 here, so we add 1 here. 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. Yes, so yes, we say yes, because once we write, okay, we convert this to the nearest number, so we will get the same answer. One decimal place mean after point one number. So here is 2. So before 2, that is 7. 7 is more than 4, yes, so your answer is equal to 8.3. Okay, so like this you will solve all these numbers. Here are the answers of your 3.4. Now 3.5 we will do in next class. Thank you class. Take care. I hope you understand. So kindly take a picture of this page and see you in the next class.